Inky and I are at a park and we're about to have one of his favorite treats. Biggbie Pup Cup, whipped cream and dog biscuits. It melted a little because I had it in the car. Okay, you ready, bud? Your ear is all folded. Can you shake your head? No? Okay, well, you're about to be on camera. There he goes. He loves his Biggbie Pup Cups. He's wearing his pride collar. Oops, shadow. Shadow, shadow. Yum, yum, yum. Did you get all of it? That must be it. Was it yummy? Inky, Inky, was it yummy? Hey, no, look at mommy. Guess it was good. Good boy. Bye-bye.